So, in continuation to our earlier series on ESOP, we would like to update you about few things which are important in planning for your personal finance while exercising ESOP. First is budgeting. Yes, since you are new to your job, you have new responsibilities, then making a budget of your day-to-day expenses, your tax savings, your personal finance is very important. And ESOPs should be considered while making a plan for your budget. Second most important thing while planning for your ESOPs is emergency fund. As a financial planner, as an advisor, as a tax consultant, we always advise our clients to have 3 to 6 months emergency fund. And while planning for ESOPs, a person should always consider his emergency funds before exercising the ESOP option. As I have already discussed, taxation of ESOPs is also an important fund. When we exercise the options, the immediate difference between the value of the shares and the vesting price is added to our income as a purchaser. And later, if we sell the ESOPs within a period of 12 months, then it becomes a short-term capital gain liable for taxation at the rate of 15%. If the ESOPs are listed, and if we hold the ESOPs for a period of more than 12 months, the taxation is done at the rate of 10%. But do keep in mind there are certain tax exemptions which are available in case if there is a long-term capital gain on sale of ESOP. And इसीलिए अगर आपने देखा होगा तो DLF Camellias जहाँ पर हमारे इंडिया के बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप फाउंडर्स अपने नए नए घर खरीद रहे हैं. सो जस्ट मैसेज मी, आप ऐसे किन फाउंडर्स को जानते हैं जिन्होंने वहाँ पे लग्जरियस फ्लैट लिया है और आप जानना चाहते हैं कि उन्होंने क्यों लिया है, तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैसेज करें.
For more such videos, stay tuned and follow legalfactory.in.